Natural disasters shall flaunt the planet. We shall see them happen almost everywhere, with high records in loss of lives and property. There shall be record-breaking death tolls.
Massive forest fires in Chile have killed at least 122 people.
The wildfires are the country's worst disaster since the 2010 earthquake that left over 500 people dead. Fires broke out in central Chile and have left over 1,600 people without homes. Emergency officials still trying to put the fires out as of late Sunday and are searching for hundreds of people still missing.